Hello, good morning, all of you. Welcome to Animal Kingdom chapter. Look, in this chapter, in the previous part, you learned reptiles, general characters, and reptiles examples. Okay, in this part, we are going to learn Aves and their general characters. Aves and their general characters. That is our topic. Aves. Class Aves. The characteristic features of Aves birds are the presence of feathers. What is the characteristic feature of aves or birds? Presence of feathers. Okay, most of them can fly except flightless birds. Okay, most of the birds can fly except flightless birds. Example, ostrich. Okay, birds possess beak. Okay, all of you know that ball birds possess. Okay, forelimbs are modified into in birds. Forelimbs are modified into wings. The hind limbs generally have scales and are modified for hind limbs generally have scales and are modified for walking, swimming, clasping, and the tree branches. Hind limbs generally have scales that are modified for. Okay, what do hind limbs modified hind limbs are? What do they have? They have scales. They are modified for walking. Hind limbs are useful for walking, swimming, and clasping the to hold the branches of the trees. How is the skin? The skin is dry without glands, except oil gland present at the base of the tail. Okay, where is the gland? That is called preen gland, which is present at the base of the. Okay, this is the bird. Okay, you can see here. This is the beak, head part, throat, chest. Okay, neck part, back part. Here the birds are covered by earlier you learned in first point. Okay, they have feathers. Endoskeleton is fully ossified. Okay, that means bony, and long bones are hollow with air cavities. And these are called. You can see one gland here. Okay, at the tail, you can see one gland here, oil gland, which is called preen gland. Okay, preen gland is the oil gland here. Okay, if you observe bone of bird and bone of human beings, you can observe structural difference here. Here there is a large air packets are there, spaces, but here we don't find. This is called pneumatic avian. Avian means bird bone. Pneumatic avian bone. Okay, the endoskeleton is fully ossified and the long bones are hollow with air cavities. Pneumatic. Dies to tract of boats has additional chambers called crop and gizzard. Okay, very important point. What are the additional chambers in the dies to tract of boats? Crop and gizzard. Heart is completely four-chambered heart, and they are warm-blooded homeothermous animals. That is, they are able to maintain a constant body temperature. Okay, birds are warm-blooded homeothermous animals. That is, they are able to maintain a constant body temperature, like human beings, like mammals. Okay, respiration is by lungs. Air sacs are connected to lung. Okay, you can observe here these blue color lungs here. Okay, these lungs are connected to. Okay, this is one air sac, anterior thoracic air sac. Okay, this is also, and here posterior thoracic air sacs, abdominal air sacs, and you can see here cervical air sac. Okay, interclavicular air sac. Like that, nearly nine air sacs are connected to the lungs. That is the important point. Okay, air sacs connected to lungs supplement respiration. Sexes are separate, fertilization is internal, and all birds are without any exception oviparous, and development is direct development. No larval stage. Okay, example, Aves example, corvus, crow, columba, pigeon, psittacula, parrot, struthio, ostrich, pavo, okay, pigeon, aptenoides, okay, aptenoides, penguin, neopron, vulture, corvus, crow, cow, corvus says cow, corvus, crow, columba, pigeon, psittacula, parrot, struthio, ostrich, pavo, peacock, aptenoides, penguin, neopron, vulture, crow, corvus, pigeon, columba, parrot sitting on the branch, psittacula, ostrich, struthio, peacock, pavo cristatus, our national bird, pavo cristatus, penguin, aptenoides, vulture, neopron vulture. This is the pigeon, pigeon, and you can aptenoides, penguin, corvus, corvus, crow, and these are the neopron, vulture. What is this one? Identify this one. Struthio. What is common name? Ostrich. What is common name? Vulture. What is common name? Parrot. Psittacula. Sitting on the branches. And this is the pavo cristatus, our national bird. Pavo. Okay, fill in the blanks. The characteristic features of Aves birds are the presence of dash, and most of them can fly except flightless birds. Example, they possess beak. The forelimbs are modified into hind limbs generally have and are modified for walking, swimming, clasping the tree branches. Skin is dry without glands except dash at the base of the tail, and dash is fully ossified or bony, and long bones are hollow with, and the dice to tractor boats has additional chambers, dash and dash. Heart is completely dash. The warm-blooded, they are warm-blooded animals, and they are because they are capable to maintain constant body temperature. Respiration is carried out by, and respiration is carried out by dash and connected to lung supplement respiration, and sexes are dash. Fertilization is, and the oviparous, their oviparous and development is, and these are the answers. First you have to attempt the test without looking at answers. And next one, a test on diagrams. Here, what, identify these four diagrams and write their common names. What are these four birds? And write their common names and scientific names. Aves example, corvus, crow, pigeon, parrot, ostrich. Here is the test. Okay, don't copy answers. First test yourself, and then, okay, check the answers. Okay, these are the answers for the birds. Okay, what is this bird, and this bird. Okay, next class, in the next video, I will come up with mammalia. Okay, please, okay, share this video, and if you like, subscribe this channel and press the like button.